Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It is actually entirely numbers. It is 3 numbers making a date, so this cheat sheet, which I typically refer to in my other explanation videos, will not be that useful because I don't have numbers there. However, I do have numbers here. And numbers are made by putting decimal rings around an inner, thicker decimal point. So these concentric circles indicate it's a number, and we have a thick one in the middle. So this thick one is our decimal point, and then we have a ring going around it, and all of the slashes inside that ring add up to our digit value. So this has 1 slash, making it 1 in the ones column, and therefore the number 1. This has 2, this has 3, 4, 5 is done with a dot. So to make 6, we have a dot plus a slash, 7, a dot and 2 slashes, 8, a dot and 3 slashes, and then lastly, 9 is a dot and 4 slashes. And to make larger numbers, you put multiple rings around it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 rings makes this a 4-digit number. This is a 3-digit number with 3 rings, and this is 1, 2, 3 digits as well. So yeah, let's get to reading your design, which is a 3-digit number, well, a 3-number set because we have 3 thick decimal point rings, and then concentric circles going around them. So this bonus circle here doesn't have that decimal point, so this is not a number. It's just the slashes inside this number, plus a little bit of decoration to tie it all together and make it a little bit fancier and artsier, and a little bit more substantial of a tattoo than just these 3 circles by themselves. So I could theoretically remove these and it would be totally fine. Those are irrelevant. Everything else is part of the word. But I like them. I think they look nice. So let's go ahead and read our first number. We have a decimal point with 1 digit, and that 1 digit is the number 5. So 5. And then we have our decimal point, and then our next number, it is 1 in the tens column because there's 1 slash here. And then in the ones column, we have a 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, so 19. And then we have in this number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, in this column we have 1, 2 slashes, so that's number 2. Nothing in this one, so that's a 0. And then we have 1, 2 in the tens column, and then 4 in the ones column. So that is 20, 24. So that number is 5, 19, 2024. And I hope that makes a bit of sense. And numbers, I like to think, are fairly simple and still somewhat artistically malleable because, we can have numbers that look like this, or we can put them in a circle like this. Still works. So yeah, I hope that design makes sense for you. Enjoy. Bye.